my BTech as a mechanical engineer at SCTM Technical Campus. Friends, you see, in this technological world, everything is going too much fast. It is a collaboration of all the fields like as a computer science, electrical, electronic and mechanical things. When we took a glance on this field one by one, what we get is too much amazing. In case of computer and information technology field, what we see is incredible. Everything is done by computer. We are totally connected with computers. When we buy anything, we sell anything, everything is now happening on computers. When we come to the electronic part, it is an early technology which made everything at micro level. You see, everyone is addicted to these devices. The best invention of this field is our mobile phone. Everything is just in one touch. You see, we have to view our temperature, news, everything. Just amazing. If we took electrical part, then it is the heart of all the above technology, which is electricity. Everything made by us work if we have electricity. Production of electricity is also a attractive method. It can be done by sun, water. Nuclear power plants. In this world, every country producing million or billion watts of electricity per day. Even then, there are lots of places in this world where electricity is a big problem. Anyways, come to the point. You see, in this busy life, no one has time. Everyone is running behind his work. People don't even have a time to charge their phone. To come out this problem, my friend Sanjeet, Mr. Anil and my friend Shiv made a design to come out this problem. They made a shoe mobile charger that when we walk, we can charge our phone. Now Mr. Sanjeet will show you the design of that project.
Now I will draw our project design. This is the rack and pinion mechanism which is used for the rotation of the any device which is fitted in this shoes. And this is open spring, open coil spring. This is rack and pinion mechanism. This is your shoe. This is the whole diagram of our project which is used for the electronic devices. Come on the point how we produce the electricity. In our daily life, a dynamo is a device which is produce the electricity. And now I want to show you the diagram of the dynamo, how it works. This is your spindle. This is a starter winding. These are the magnet. This is a whole diagram of the dynamo. This is rotor winding, and this is the rotation of this spindle. Now, it is a device which produces electricity as a direct current, and it is best for your electronics devices. This is the whole diagram of the dynamo, but limitation of the dynamo is it's required for more rotation of for generating the electricity, and second limitation of this dynamo, it's rotates in only one direction. It may be anti-clockwise or clockwise. It's depend on our circuit. So this is not suitable for our design, and we don't use the dynamo in these products. So to remove the limitation of the dynamo, we need a device which produces the electricity in the both direction, as well as anti-clockwise and also in clockwise direction at the same time. So that device is alternator, and alternator produces the electricity in the both direction, in clockwise direction and also anti-clockwise directions at the same time. But our dynamo produces electricity in the one direction. Dynamo produces electricity in anti-clockwise direction and clockwise direction, but it's depend on our circuit. But alternator produces the electricity in both directions at the same time, like as this. And also, this type of rotation suits our project, so we can replace the dynamo to the alternator. Now I want to show the figure of the alternating current and direct current. This is AC. This is DC. But alternative produces only AC current only, so we require some other instrument which convert the alternative current to the DC current. We need a capacitor, and a diode, and a general diode. So now we can easily convert the AC current into the direct current, and it's also used for in our project. So this is the whole process for the.
First of all, we will collect all the equipment which are necessary for our project work, like a shoe, an alternator, a rack and pinion management, a rack gear, and a spring, a wooden plate, and some other accessories like glue stick and something else which are necessary to bound all the things with it together. And I will tell all the things in 2 seconds. So. This is our shoe. Consider this is our shoe, and then we will cut it from behind. All this area will be cut by some cutter, and then we will grind it so it can mesh with our metal sheet. Metal sheet is the equipment that will take place the shoe's rear end. Here we attach the metal piece here with a hole center, and then we will take our alternator and place it inside the shoe. This is our alternator, and this will look like this. This is shaft of alternator. When the shaft will rotate in clockwise direction or anti-clockwise direction, it doesn't matter, but then it will produce electricity. Here, now we will take our wooden plate. This is our wooden plate. Then take the spring and fix the spring with the wooden plate. Here we can use glue stick, which is very easy to use, and attach the spring, and here at the bottom of shoe. This is an open close spring. And then take the rack. This rack, this can be attached on a wooden part. We can say it is a wooden part. And attach the rack on it. And then this wooden part can be attached on the wooden plate at some angle, so that it can be easily meshed with the shaft of alternator, and as well as do not rub with the metal sheet. So there can be any angle like 2-3 degree or 10 degree. Here, after attaching with this, now our assembly is ready, our product is ready to use. So here is the movement of up and down movement of shoe. When any force or any load applied on this end, it will compress the spring, and the shaft will rotate according to force applied on it. And when the force is removed, then the spring will open up and our shaft will rotate in counter direction. So here is the arrangement from these are the two wires from the alternator. One we can say positive, this is negative, and here we will attach it with the charger pin. This is our charger pin. When the load is applied on the shoe, it will compress the spring, and when the load is removed, it will open up the spring, and our shaft of alternator rotate in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction, and all the process moves on. And it generates the electricity, and which can be utilized to charge the mobile phone. Here is the overview. This is our overview of our project. This is the complete design of our show mobile charger.
Now I will show how it works. Press the shoe as you are showing in this video. By pressing the shoe, LED blinks. By this mechanism, alternator rotates as you press continuously. With the help of capacitor and diodes, AC current changes into DC, so our mobile gets charged. This device proves best example of law of conservation of energy, and it is our aim to convert useless work in useful work. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. To watch more or get to know more about this, click on subscribe button or email us at erbharatrankawat01@gmail.com. Thank you.